In this MemoirWorkbook.com tutorial, I'm going to show you where you will do the actual writing in your project. So from the home page, you can click on Topics and Questions, or in the left sidebar menu, you can click Topics and Questions. This takes you to your list of topics, and you can look down the list of topics and click on any item, or you can just go right over here to the Continue Writing or Start Writing link for any of these topics. Now if I click on Start Writing, it'll take me to a page where the writing can begin, but you'll see the first question is highlighted under this topic, and it's also over here above the answer box. So you can type in your answer. We'll just put testing 1, 2, 3 so we can demonstrate this. And if I say save my work, save your work, here's a confirmation message, and that answer is saved, and we don't have to worry about leaving this page. Now I can go to any other question on this page, and you can see the question is now up here. If I switch questions, that question changes, so I'm answering that question. And again, if I say test and I try to move to another question without saving that, I get this warning box, warning you've not saved your changes, and I want to make sure I click cancel to return to this page. If I click OK, it will not save anything I've typed since my last save. So I'll hit cancel and save my work. Now I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 here, and I'm going to go to a new topic, and this time I'm going to accidentally click OK. And when I come back here, you'll see that it still has test, but it does not have the 1, 2, 3 that I typed after that save. And so you just need to make sure you save every time you've added some work that you want to make sure gets saved to your project. Also, if you were to try to leave and go to another page on the site, if you were to go back to the topics and questions, you're going to get this warning that says, do you want to leave this site? Changes may not be saved. In that case, just click on stay and save your work before you move on. I hope that helps.